Does anybody know what tiramisu means? Just a question. Don't think too hard about it. Anybody know what tiramisu means?
Delicious.
Layers.
Thank you.
Layers.
Italian dessert.
Okay.
Rum soaked.
I love it.
Lady fingers.
Okay. That's all those are great guesses. I appreciate the participation. You're getting closer. It means cheer me up. Pick me up. Okay? So I hope that this is going to do that for all of you guys tonight. What's very cool about this dessert that I'm going to be preparing for you this evening is it involves my new flavor. So you guys are going to get a little sneak peek today of what we've created in our commercial kitchen here in Philadelphia. My mom is actually an amazing cook and baker, and you know, she's been sort of like my 1-800 bake lady in this whole process. And when I told some of my friends that I was going to be starting a cookie company, they said, "Is this some sort of Betty Crocker phase you're going through? Like, what is this?" And I'm like, I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna get this thing going, and we're gonna see where it takes us. And it actually has been a lot of fun, and you know, people are crazy about my product, so I'm gonna keep making them as long as people are eating them. This cookie has been soaking for 2 nights in the wine mixture. So you're gonna have, it's just gonna be like so delicious and yummy. But what I want you to do when it's in the base of this ramekin or whatever vessel it is you try to use, you're gonna take a very exotic utensil called a fork, and you're going to just mash it a little bit. Just give me some mushy crumble right there at the bottom. That's all I want you to do. So we designed the dessert so that every bite you get a little bit of cookie, a little bit of cream, and a little bit of that little dusting of espresso cocoa powder mixture. Has anybody worked with a pastry bag before?
Yes.
Anybody? Okay. Yeah. So as you take, this is just a little hack, you know, so that the cream just doesn't come gushing out, which it might do on me right now, but we'll see if we can contain it. So I just want you to put, this is an 18-inch pastry bag, I just want you to put half of the cream mixture in here, and then you'll use the other half. It says it all in the recipe. So then what you do is on your little mushy cookie, you're going to pipe this in. Yes, I really love sound effects in this part, so any oohs and ahs. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So I want you to fill whatever vessel it is you're using. See how much I'm filling it? There's a reason for that, and I'm going to show you in 1 minute. Just take a clean bowl, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your offset spatula, and all I want you to do is this.
It's a lot more smooth. Yeah.
All right, you guys want to see the best part of this? It's a little confectioner sugar duster. And then what you want to do is you just want to take a little bit of this powder, and you want to go, probably do this. It's a salad.
This is amazing.
Very impressive.
Hey guys, over here.
It's good, right?
Let's hear it for Claudia.
Layers of flavor. Taste a little bit of the cookie.
Oh, you taste it all.
Right on.
I love it.
It's good.
It gives it dimension.
The wine. You taste the wine, the coconut, the toasted coconut.
The melting of all the flavors.
Of all the
Really
flavors.
well. With orange cream. It was lovely.